natural potato chips production line from Atlas International. The process starts by preparing the raw potatoes through automated dirt removal, washing, and precise mechanical peeling. A spiral conveyor aligns the potatoes before they enter the advanced slicer, giving you full control over the shape and thickness of every chip. The slices go through starch extraction and are washed in continuously filtered hot water, then completely dried by high-pressure air before frying. Deep frying takes place in an advanced heating system, complete with continuous oil filtration, purification, and storage to keep the quality consistent. Slide filters and mechanical shakers work together to efficiently remove any excess oil. After a quality check, the chips enter the flavoring drum, ensuring an even coating of seasoning before packaging. This production line is backed by multiple patents in its most precise and critical engineering components. Atlas International production lines offer complete engineering solutions. They ensure smooth operations and deliver a natural product with precise, consistent quality.